Welcome to the how-to video for creating a web form. My name is Jessica from the Customer Success team here at itracMarketer, and I will be walking you through the steps of how to create a web form. Web forms can be built directly in itracMarketer with our drag and drop editor. You can capture the type of information you want to collect from new leads or existing customers. Simply add fields to your form and then easily embed the web form onto your website or landing page where you can conveniently capture contacts for events, newsletters, or completing a contact page. On your home dashboard, navigate to the web form tile. Click on the Create button. Fill in the following basic information for your web form. Click on Next. From here, I can select a template for my web form. All of the available templates shown below are here for you to use to design your web form. There are multiple options that you can pick from. I'm going to choose the standard form located here. In order to choose this form, I'm going to click on Select this template. Once I select my template, my form will open up. As you can see, all of the different components on my form are editable. I can go ahead and start designing my form. I already have a few fields here where I can capture information. Additionally, I can add in some more fields. I have a text input, text area, drop down, industries, and so on and so forth. I can drag and drop any of these components into my web form to add more fields. Once I'm done adding in the appropriate fields, I will have to label my fields. I can do so by hovering over the field and clicking on Edit. This is where I will configure my form fields. My label is going to be what the person sees when they're filling out the form. I have to ensure that I map the label to the correct attribute within itracMarketer. I'm going to map my label, How did you hear about us, to my lead source attribute. Then I will need to put in my options. And if I only wanted two options, I could delete the third. Additionally, I can add a new one. Once I'm done configuring the form fields, I can go to Save. Once I'm ready to move on with my form, I can go to the next page. This is where I will review and complete my web form. If everything looks good, I can go to Confirm Web Form. Now my web form has been created. What I can do next is add a workflow to my web form. All depending on the type of automation you want to attach to your form, you will create this in this section here. If I wanted to add a contact to a list, I would select my list. Then I would click on Add Action. If I wanted to add a completely new workflow to my form, I would click here and I would set up my workflow. Additionally, I could use an existing workflow and add that to my web form. Once you're done configuring your automation, click on the Finish button. Now your web form has been created. In order to embed my web form onto my website, I have to click the Embed button. This will allow me to obtain the code to embed on my web page. I can easily copy and paste this code and pass it along to my developer who can add this form to my web page. At any time, I can come back and edit my web form, or additionally, I can add new workflows to my web form. Your exercises for this how-to video include selecting a template, customize the template, add a workflow. That concludes our how-to video for creating a web form. Be sure to check out our other how-to and getting started videos.